Okay. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This time, mag-unbox ulit ako ng bagong item from my NMAX. Hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan, and as usual, link will be in the description below. Shout out to my friends. Here's a short clip from their channel. Check them out. Kita ba ko guys? Wait lang. Aray! Ayan! Welcome! Let's start the unboxing. Siyempre by now guys, alam nyo na kung ano yung laman nito. Nasa title eh. Okay. Plastic out! Reminder ulit, yung link nito is nasa Shopee. Nasa description below. Mabibili mo to sa Shopee. You can check the reviews at chanet ko kaya binili ko. So far. So guys, ito yung package. Buksan naman natin. KDRT footrest set. Hindi naman siya footrest eh, slider. Kaya paano naging footrest to, no? Ewan ko ba? So far, the packaging is fine. Wala namang dents. Walang dents yung box natin. So, kudos to Ninja Van. Sila kasi yung career natin dito. So ayan, here's a closer look to our box. Ito yung front, ito yung back. Let's check what's inside. Okay. It says right here for NMAX at Aerox. Buksan natin. Paano ba to? Ito. Down below. Open up. Here you go. Right, there you go. I bought the pale gold with black accent. So, ano yung nasa laman ng package natin? Hirap tanggalin ah. So far, very solid build. Mabigat. At hindi. Next one is yung pangalawang slider. So these are the sliders. Black and gold. May ibang nabibili na gold din yung sliders, but I would prefer the black one kasi yung purple is matte gold. And then we got the somethings, brackets, I don't know. Ito yung ilalagay dun sa baba ng muffler. We also have bolts. Bunch of them. Ito yung gagamitin natin for installation. Alright, so far 4 lang sila. I thought marami, pero oh wait, ito pa. Yan. I forgot another piece of bracket and it says KDRT. Check out the build kung anong texture ng item natin. Wait. Yan, focus. Very nice. So as per advertised, isa siyang CNC slider. That means machine cut, all precise. So if you're into details, this will be a good choice. Very nice, diba? Perfect. Sabi sa gilid pale gold, pero it's not that pale. It's more of a gold. Diba guys? But our screws or bolts are just plain silver. So that's about it. We got the black and gold set para sa NMAX from KTRT. And this is only around 550 pesos without shipping fee. So guys, alright, nasa bahay na tayo at install na natin yung sliders. Ito yung tools na kailangan natin to install. Kung may Allen set ka, mas okay. Tatlong size yun. And then, isang open wrench or socket na 14mm para sa malaking bolt. Okay, finally. Sample muna natin yung whole set bago natin ilagay sa ito. So ito yung dalawang bolt ang yung bracket. So ito siya. Install na natin. Yung dalawang mahabang screw. Papasok dito. So, hi guys, so it's a wrap. Natapos ko na rin yung installation ng sliders natin. Medyo pawis lang ako at kinabihan tayo. As you can see, wala nang ilaw. Right. So, this is how it looks. Make sure na super tighten yung bolts, lalo na yung main bolt, yung ito. Yung dalawa yan. At make sure na hindi umaalog. Make sure secured talaga. It's not spinning. So that means naka-tighten yung bolts natin. Okay? This is just a very easy install. It's just a matter of putting out bolts and putting them back in. Hindi kagaya ng ibang videos ko na medyo kailangan mo ng mga special tools. So overall, this is how it looks. Ang ganda nga ng kulay niya. This is the look from afar. At medyo makalat yung garahe namin. Maraming boxes. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys learned something. And as always, stay tuned for the next video.